Remember the satisfying snap of closing a flip phone. These iconic devices are back with a modern twist. Flip phones combine nostalgia with innovation, offering a refreshingly simple design. A clamshell design protects the screen and adds a touch of classic cool. Many new flip phones boast large touchscreens inside, while retaining physical buttons for calls and texting. While they might not run the latest apps, flip phones offer excellent battery life and a distraction-free experience, perfect for those who value clear communication and a break from the constant digital buzz. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, smartconsumer.com. Number 6. Motorola Razr reimagines the iconic flip phone for the modern age, offering a nostalgic design with cutting-edge foldable technology. Unfolding to reveal a large, immersive display perfect for movies, games, and multitasking, the Razr maintains its signature sleekness when closed, slipping easily into pockets. The innovative hinge allows the phone to lay flat when open, providing a comfortable user experience reminiscent of a traditional smartphone. Despite its foldable nature, the Razr boasts a durable build with a scratch-resistant screen, ensuring it can withstand daily use. Motorola capitalizes on the nostalgia factor with a refined version of the classic Razr design, featuring a prominent chin that houses the fingerprint sensor and a secondary quick-view display for checking notifications or using core functions without unfolding the phone. Cameras haven't been neglected. The Razr offers a capable main camera system and a cleverly placed quick-view camera for selfies or video calls when the phone is closed. Powered by a robust processor and running the latest Android operating system, the Razr delivers a smooth and powerful user experience. Whether you crave a phone that prioritizes pocketability and a break from the large displays of most smartphones, or simply appreciate the iconic design with a modern twist, the Motorola Razr offers a unique blend of cutting-edge technology, nostalgic charm, and premium functionality. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 phone. A pocket-friendly powerhouse. Unfolding to reveal a stunning immersive display for gaming, browsing, and entertainment, it transforms back into a compact, chic device that slips effortlessly into your pocket or bag. The hinge is not just smooth but durable, built to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Samsung hasn't skimped on the cameras either, equipping the Z Flip 5 with a top-of-the-line main camera system and a cleverly placed under-display or secondary quick-view camera for flawless selfies and video calls, even when the phone is closed. Powered by the latest Snapdragon processor and running the most up-to-date Android operating system, the Z Flip 5 guarantees a lightning-fast and intuitive experience. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or simply someone who values a phone that's both functional and fashionable, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 offers the best of both worlds. Cutting-edge foldable technology that unfolds stunning possibilities, wrapped in a compact design that's as stylish as it is functional. Number 4. Plum Flipper 4G VoLTE caters to users seeking a simple and affordable phone that bridges the gap between classic design and modern functionality. Its familiar flip form factor offers a comfortable grip and a sense of nostalgia, while the large physical buttons make dialing and texting a breeze. Unlike its completely bare-bones predecessors, the Plum Flipper embraces some modern conveniences. 4G VoLTE connectivity allows you to stay connected, browse the internet, and even use essential apps like Facebook and WhatsApp to stay in touch with loved ones. A basic camera lets you capture life's moments, and an MP3 player provides on-the-go entertainment. The intuitive menu system keeps things simple, avoiding the complexities of smartphones. But the Plum Flipper shines in its practicality. The long-lasting battery ensures you can stay connected for days on a single charge, perfect for those who prioritize reliability over constant recharging. With its unlocked design, you can choose a carrier that suits your needs, making it a budget-friendly option for calls, texts, and light internet use. So, if you're looking for a dependable phone that prioritizes clear communication, a break from the demands of smartphones, and affordability, the Plum Flipper 4G VoLTE offers a refreshingly simple and functional experience. Number 3. Alcatel's SMART FLIP4052R caters to those seeking a balance between classic phone functionality and a taste of modern features at an affordable price. Encased in a comfortable flip design with large, easy-to-use buttons, it offers a nostalgic feel and effortless dialing and texting. But don't be fooled by its familiar form. The 4052R boasts 4G LTE connectivity, allowing you to browse the web, check emails, and manage your calendar. A vibrant 2.8-inch display provides clear visuals, while a secondary external display keeps you updated on notifications and battery life without opening the phone. The built-in camera lets you capture memories, and essential features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi ensure seamless connectivity. Powered by a reliable processor and expandable storage, the Alcatel SMART FLIP4052R offers smooth performance for everyday tasks. However, its true strength lies in its long-lasting battery, keeping you connected for extended periods without needing to constantly search for a charger. Ultimately, the Alcatel SMART FLIP4052R bridges the gap between user-friendly simplicity, convenient modern features, and affordability, making it a practical and budget-conscious choice for those who value clear communication and a break from the complexities of smartphones. Number 2. Kyocera Durax V Extreme is an ultra-rugged flip phone that thrives in challenging environments. Encased in a military-standard tested shell, it shrugs off drops, shocks, dust, and even a dunk in water, ensuring reliable communication no matter the conditions. The large tactile buttons are perfect for gloved hands or wet fingers, while the speakerphone and noise cancellation microphone guarantee crystal clear calls even in noisy workplaces or amidst roaring winds. Despite its rugged exterior, the Durax V Extreme isn't all brawn and no brains. It boasts a surprisingly long-lasting battery that keeps you connected for days on a single charge. 4G LTE connectivity allows you to access email, essential apps, and even turn your phone into a mobile hotspot for multiple devices. A basic camera lets you capture memories on the go, and the intuitive interface ensures navigating the phone is a breeze. So, if you lead an active lifestyle, work in demanding environments, or simply need a phone that can withstand the bumps and spills of everyday life, the Kyocera Durax V Extreme offers a perfect blend of unparalleled durability, reliable functionality, and surprisingly convenient features. Number 1. Nokia 2780 Flip caters to those who crave a balance between classic phone features and a touch of modern convenience. Its familiar flip design with satisfyingly chunky buttons offers a nostalgic feel and effortless calling and texting. But this isn't your grandpa's flip phone. The 2780 Flip embraces the modern world with 4G connectivity, allowing you to browse the internet, access essential apps like WhatsApp and Facebook to stay connected, and even navigate with Google Maps. A 2.7-inch display provides clear visuals, while a dedicated camera lets you capture memories on the go. The phone prioritizes user-friendliness with a simple interface and hearing aid compatibility, making it ideal for all ages. Security is a plus with an emergency button for peace of mind. However, the 2780 Flip shines in its practicality. The long-lasting battery ensures you can stay connected for days on a single charge, perfect for those who value reliability over constant recharging.